Okay, welcome everybody. We are doing the break for the 2010 Platinum Football. This was part of the eBay auction that ended about a day ago. So everyone who was part of that, thank you for taking part. And let's go ahead and get this started. As you can see, box completely sealed. And let's go ahead and open it up and get started. Okay, since there are 24 packs and 5 cards per pack, I will try to keep it moving and try to get through this as quickly as possible so that we can meet the time frame here. Wanted to also mention the box does advertise 2 rookie autograph refractors and 1 autograph patch relic in every box. So maybe there's more, we'll see, but at least we know there's 2 rookie autograph refractors and 1 autograph relic per box. So just lost that one, but it is now back, so you can see here. Okay, so let's go ahead and take these out. And the box is empty. Okay. And if anybody wants the box for any reason, just go ahead and email me, and I will give that to you, send it to you with the cards. So let's go ahead and get started. Good luck, everybody. Okay, so here we go. Got to start here, Ed Reed, Drew Brees, Darrelle Revis, Jonathan Crompton, rookie, and a Dez Bryant rookie as well for the Cowboys. Okay, moving along. Okay, we've got a Vince Young, Ray Rice, DeMarcus Ware, Sam Bradford, rookie, not autographed, but still a great card, and a Joe Webb rookie as well. That is Joe Webb with the Vikings. Okay, moving right along. Got a checklist. Okay, make sure save the dramatics here. Okay, you've got a Santonio Holmes for the Jets, Steve Slayton, Tony Gonzalez, Ryan Matthews, rookie, and a CJ Spiller rookie. Okay. All right, moving along here, we got a Deshaun Jackson, Dwayne Bowe, Mike Sims Walker, Tim Tebow. Nice. Rookie card there. No autographs or any other love, but still, good card. Anthony Dixon. Okay. So we got a Tim Tebow and a Bradford rookie. No autos or anything yet, but maybe those are a sign of good things to come here for those who had those teams. So let's keep going. Uh-oh, got a thick one here. So we'll go ahead and save that for last. Here, add some dramatic to it. Okay, so we've got a James Starks, John Skelton to go with the Cardinals there. Cardinals rookie card there. Joe Flacco, Carson Palmer, and go ahead and take a look here. This looks like it's an autograph, so it is Montario Hardesty. Sweet. Okay, we got a Montario Hardesty, numbered 175 to 500, with the Browns, and that is a nice little 2-colored patch and auto. So, very nice auto and patch. And we'll just leave that out right here. Okay. Moving along here. Move this back here so we can see it. Okay. All right. We got Jonathan Vilma of the Saints, Hines Ward, Donovan McNabb, and Okay, Taylor Price, rookie. Dexter McCluster, rookie. Okay, we have a Steve Smith, Phillip Rivers, Ray Lewis, Colt McCoy refractor. So this one is numbered 687 of 999. So Colt McCoy refractor. And a Jimmy Graham rookie. Okay, up next. Make sure we. Okay, next we have Antonio Bryant, Matt Castle, Maurice Jones-Drew, Dan Lefevre, Eric Berry rookie. Okay. Alrighty, we've got another thick one here. Let's see if we can save some dramatics here. Okay, another Cardinal, Andre Roberts, rookie. Earl Thomas, rookie. Got a Fred Jackson, Mark Sanchez, and a big platinum refractor, John Skelton, Cardinals. So that is the refractor. It's thicker than normal, but it's called the platinum refractor. Go ahead and leave that out as well. Okay, moving along. Okay, we have a Cedric Benson, Pierre Thomas, Frank Gore, Javid Best, refractor. So this is a Javid Best refractor, number 304 of 999. So that is our second refractor. And oops, we got one more card here. Sorry about that. It is a Marcus Easley rookie. So we'll leave that rookie refractor out. Okay, let's see what we got. Okay, we've got a, oh, there's a special card coming up here. I'm gonna save that for the end here. Okay. Okay, we have Jacoby Ford, rookie. LaDainian Tomlinson, Randy Moss, Michael Crabtree, and a blue, dun 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 dun, Andre Roberts, Arizona Cardinals representing. So this is a blue refractor, 346 of 599. Pretty sweet looking card. This is Andre Roberts of the Cardinals. And let's see, we have next